Hello my friends. When you first open Matlab, you will see that the interface is divided into 5 windows. On the left, the current folder window is placed all the files relevant to Matlab. This is where all of the functions and scripts you create will be stored. By default, Matlab will set the active folder to a folder called Matlab in your Documents folder. You can also click on the Browse button and select New Folder through the standard File Systems view. On the bottom left of the screen, the Details window placed. This window shows the details of selection in the current working directory and gives you some information about selected file. In the middle of the screen, the Command window is placed. This area holds all of your input and output as you run various functions. As the example, I will type help and press enter. This brings up a list of all relevant help topics. Whenever you run a script or a function, any output will be displayed here. On the top right of the screen, Workspace window is placed. This window contains the list of all active variables in your simulation. To change the information available about your variables, right-click by the columns and select which piece of information you want to display. You can test out the workspace by creating a variable now. Back in the command window, type x equals 3 and press enter. Notice how the workspace now displays the variable x with a value of 3 and indicate it is a 1-by-1 matrix, which is just a scalar. The workspace displays all variables you use in a given Matlab session. Finally, the bottom right of the screen displays the comment history. This keeps a record of all commands you typed along with the dates and times of each session. These features allow you to easily go back and see which commands you sent in the past. You can also copy and paste task commands to run them again without having to type them. You can change layout by clicking on Layout button in the Home tab. You can also select which windows shows and hide. By clicking on a small triangle in the top right of each window, you can dock and undock each windows. You can undock and then dock. That should be enough to get us started. Next, let's take a look at the basic commands. Thank you.